Do you have a list of employee names and job titles and want to create a hierarchy of management structure? Well, did you know that you can do this very easily? Yes, you can do this through Microsoft Excel. Just watch and then follow the steps in this video. First, we need to combine the name and job title data into one cell. Of course, we will not perform this step manually. Instead, use the following formula. Select the cell in which you want to combine the name and job title data and type the following formula. The equal sign, then the word CONCAT, then open the bracket, then type the cell range name, in our case the range is B2, then type a comma, then type the quotation mark, then type a comma, then type the quotation mark, then type a comma, then type the job title cell range, in our case the range is C2, then close the bracket. Now, drag the cell down to copy the formatting to the rest of the cells. You will find an explanation of this formula in the video description. Now, go to the Insert menu, and from the Illustrations section select the Smart Art option. From the window that appears, select the Hierarchy section, then click on the Organization Chart shape, then click on the OK button. Next, copy all the cells in which we combine the employee names and job titles, right-click on the hierarchy graphic, and select the Show Text pane option. From the window that appears, select all the default texts, delete them, and then paste the employee data. We have now reached the most important point, which is the arrangement of the management hierarchy. You will notice that the first name will be considered the first level in the management organizational structure. After that, select the name of the director of one of the departments, then press the Tab button on the keyboard once. Thus, this manager becomes at the second level in the department's organizational structure. After that, select the name of the employee affiliated with the same manager, then press the Tab button on the keyboard twice. Thus, this employee will be at the third level in the department's organizational structure. Thus, repeat this process in the same manner until the hierarchical arrangement of the department's organizational structure is completed. Congratulations, you have just created a hierarchy of departmental organizational structure for your company. If you find that this video provided you with useful information, do not forget to like the video, then subscribe to the channel so that you will receive our new videos.